All right, it's your boy Jay Will back with another video. This is the bonus video for ClickBank. I'm going to show you guys this ad I made on Google. I'm going to show you guys the website. I'm going to show you guys how much I earned within the last 2 days. I started running this ad. Let's get it. All right, let's dive in. It's my Google ad account. As you can see, today is October 17th. Today we received about 21 clicks out of 190 impressions. Average per click, $4.61. We spent roughly $100 today. All right, and this is the ad. I'm gonna show you guys. I have 2 ads running. Snuggle Gut 80% off today, only free shipping. This ad shouldn't even be. That's another ad. It's not even running. Shouldn't be running. But let's see. Let's click on the website. It's the website for it, Snuggle Gut. Just a review website with a lot of information on it about the product. All right, let's swing back. See. Interaction rate about 11%. That's good. Everything looks good. Like I said, I've been running this campaign for about 2 days, so let's stretch it for 2 days, from 16th to the 17th. See how much we spent total. About $111 total. 27 total clicks. Now let's go look how much we made on ClickBank in the last 2 days. Go to our dashboard. Last 2 days, made about $181 with this product. Swing over to our calculator. See, 181. 180. Come on, let me click on the 81. Minus 111. So we in profit about $70 so far from the last 2 days. So I'm gonna keep this ad running to see how this ad does for the next week. Let me show you guys the keywords I'm using for this ad. Let's see. Yeah, Snuggle Gut review, Snuggle Gut, buy Snuggle Gut. So good. That's almost complete. It's a different product. Let's see. So those are the only 4 keywords I'm using. And we made 2 sales so far of these keywords. So as you can see, Google Ads works just like Microsoft. They're just a little bit strict. I have a website for both products I'm promoting. So you guys can like, subscribe, comment. You can DM me on Instagram if you have a question. I'd rather you leave your questions in the comments below so everyone can see it, so it can help out everybody. So like, subscribe, comment. Follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. You guys have a good night.